Hello there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we're talking about some of our best favorite products for summer. And this is definitely one of them. It's the ULIT Countertop Ice Cube Maker. You guys, this is so cool because it is so fast. I can't believe it. You are going to take this out, plug it in, press on the very nice LCD screen display, and you are gonna have ice cubes in 8 minutes. That is crazy. It completes a cycle every 8 minutes. So you get 9 new cubes of ice every 8 minutes. It produces 26 pounds of ice every 24 hours. So this is going to be great. It's gonna keep you cool. It's going to keep the drinks flowing all summer long. This is what you need for your party, your barbecue, your office get together, whatever it may be. This is going to keep ice for everyone. You don't have to worry about having, the big, huge cooler and cleaning everything out, worrying about it draining and dripping all over the floor. No more of that. This is energy efficient. It is going to be super quiet. And even though it produces a ton of ice and it does it really, really quickly, it's really small. It's small enough to put on your countertop. It's small enough to just fit right in with everything else. No more bending over to get ice out of, the drink cooler. No more forgetting to pick up big 10-pound bags of ice. This is going to solve all of that for you. It is a really, really cool thing to have, especially in the summer, especially when you are, planning get-togethers and things like that. This is what you need. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You're gonna be really happy that you did.